I'll guide you through how to get money on Cash App without worrying about manually accepting every payment or struggling to find your unique cash tag and QR code. If you're looking to get paid instantly by friends, family, or customers, or you want to set up your paycheck or receive a large bank transfer, and so you need to successfully receive money on Cash App, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The foundation for receiving any payment on Cash App is providing your unique identifiers. This step is about locating and sharing your cash tag or other contact details so the sender knows exactly who to pay. To find your primary identifier, tap the profile icon in the top corner of your screen. Your cash tag will be clearly visible right underneath your name. You can share this, your linked phone number, or your email with anyone who wants to send you money. You can even tap My Code to generate a unique QR code for in-person payments. The quickest way to get money is by requesting a peer-to-peer payment. Start on the Main Money tab, input the dollar amount you need, and tap the Request button. You will then search for the person you are requesting money from using their cash tag, email, or phone number. Optionally, add a short note explaining what the request is for, and tap Request to send it to them. When money is sent to you, it falls into one of two categories. For repeat senders, the money is often instantly credited to your Cash App balance. However, if you are receiving money from someone for the very first time, you may need to manually approve the payment to secure the funds. You will receive a payment notification, simply open it, tap Accept, and then confirm the payment to make the funds immediately available in your balance. For receiving larger and more formal transfers such as your salary or a general bank-to-bank transfer, you can set up Cash App as a direct deposit account. Navigate to the Banking tab, which is the house icon at the bottom left, to access your Cash App's unique account and routing numbers. Provide these numbers to your employer or a third-party bank, and they can send funds directly into your balance. If you're dealing in cryptocurrency, Cash App allows you to receive Bitcoin into your dedicated Bitcoin wallet. To do this, go to the Bitcoin tab, find your unique Bitcoin deposit address, and share it with the sender. Once the Bitcoin is received, you have the option to hold it in the app or quickly sell the Bitcoin to convert its value into US dollars in your Cash App balance. Once the money is received via any of these methods, P2P, requests, direct deposit, or Bitcoin sale, it lands in your Cash App balance. You can then use the funds immediately with your physical or virtual cash card, send them to other users, or choose to cash out to your linked bank account. Remember, a standard cash out is free and takes a few days, while an instant cash out incurs a small fee. If you are unable to receive money on Cash App, then click to watch this video right here. Now that you've learned how to receive money on Cash App, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Cash App video tutorials. Thanks for watching.